Okay, I'm gonna be installing a wig, hopefully the correct way. I got this wig from Charisma. My sister got it for my birthday. Shout out to my sister. This is the wig in question. It's a straight, long, black wig. I think it's like a teapot wig. It's got a middle part. I'm happy. And hair wax. Let's slick my hair back. I'm gonna put everything in my description because I don't have time to like speak on camera. Oh gosh, it's cold. Slap some glue on. Not fully dry, but it's giving me tinnitus, so last few steps. And let's see. I have plucked it, but I didn't pluck it too much. Alrighty, do the whole thing. Okay, I always see people cut it into 3 sections. Extremely worried that this may not work. I currently have a very botched facelift. No. We got a package. We have a hot comb because if this burns you, your face is gone. Okay. Madame. I love it. I love it.